Okay, let's now talk about a pattern that is quite often used for functions in Solidity. It's completely optional to use. Some people love it because it makes for readable code. Some people hate it because they are easy to miss and you can abuse them to write bad code. Nonetheless, you should know how they work because people in the wild are using them all the time. Okay, so this is really explained the best way just by an example. Take a look at this. Can you guess what the code here is doing? It's almost self-explanatory, right? We added a single word, only owner, to our previous payMeBackLess function. And what is only owner? Well, the name says it all, but let's look at the code. So basically, we define a modifier here with the modifier keyword, and then we have a require that checks that the message sender is the current owner. So of course, we need to have owner as a state variable defined. And then the underscore here means, please now execute the function code. You can write code before or after the underscore, but usually it will be before, like here. But you also see now why it's an optional feature, because of course, we could just write it like this without any modifier. So we just write the require statement directly in the function here. Okay, so use function modifiers however you like. I think personally for simple things like only owner, they are quite nice to use, and otherwise it's up to you.